I'm Linda from Heinz Brothers, and I am going to put together a scarecrow for you to show you how we do it here. First thing we do is we take a grocery bag. This is Heinz Brothers Garden Center. If your bag has writing on it, you need to flip it inside out so that at the very end the writing is not visible. So once you have your bag, you're going to stuff it with straw, and you want to get it pretty tight. Then you're going to double knot it, and this is going to serve as the head, like this. And you can shape it. You're going to take a yard of burlap, put it in the center, and you're going to want the tie at the bottom, and you're going to take twine or string and tie this together and make it as tight as you can, like so. All right, once you have it tied, you want to make sure that all the edges are included in the string, and then you can take a bamboo stick, put it right in the center, and you have your head. Once you have your head, you can paint it or use Sharpie markers. I would use acrylic paint, because if it rains, you don't want your scarecrow's face to slide right off. So once you have it all painted, it's going to look like this or something like it. And let that dry, and we'll move on to the body. All right. You're going to want to choose a long sleeve shirt and long pants. The first thing you're going to do is stuff the ends. So the sleeve and the end of the pants, you're going to stuff those first and then tie it. Then you're going to stuff it. I'd probably go in through the body this way and shove it all the way to the end, the straw. So you want to get it nice and firm. Here's one that's already stuffed all the way. Same thing with the pants. So you're going to tie the ends and then stuff the pants all the way to the waist. Once you have your two pieces stuffed, all you have to do is tie them together. So we make holes in the bottom and a hole in the bottom of the shirt and the top of the pants. And then you're going to take your string, and I use a crochet hook because it's easier than using your fingers, but you can use your fingers if you want. And then tie the top to the bottom. Use knots and not bows, because otherwise they can come apart. So you're going to do that to the front, and then you flip it over, and then you tie the back. If you want to stuff the pockets with straw, it's cute that way. Once you have the body done and the head done, you put them together. So, stuff this on, and you take your string. Oh, where's the string? The string. With a string. And you're going to go make a hole, actually like this, and you're going to pull the string through this way. Now the tricky part is getting the string through the head. So you want to go through the burlap, through the plastic bag, grab the string, and then tie these together. So I do 2 in the front and 2 in the back. So here's one and here's one. That way it's secured here and in the front. So then what you end up with is a scarecrow like this. Well, I hope you've enjoyed our video. My name is Linda. Please contact us at Heinz Brothers Garden Center if you have any other questions.